what have you got coming up?
We have the ice cream social at Fair Grove coming up on Saturday. And for the past several years, they've messaged us and been like, hey, would you all be able to do a 3-hour set list? Well, people are eating ice cream on their lawn chairs, and like there's fireworks after. It's a really fun, cute event at Fair Grove that's free. And our students love having the chance to do a long set list instead of like at a recital, you just get to do one song usually. And so that's a great challenge to have to memorize like multiple songs in a row. So this is one of the songs from Dwight's set list. And he'll actually be playing while he's singing, and so will some of the other people. So it's a really fun event. They usually have food trucks and bouncy houses, and the audience is always great. Sometimes they'll get up and dance, and
Oh, I love that.
it's really fun.
So Dwight, how long have you then been preparing like your set list, or how long have your students been preparing for this?
We started preparing after the performance we did at Arts Fest, which I think was the last time we were here.
Yeah.
We just kind of like keep rolling through the year. As soon as we finish the one performance, there's usually another one to get ready for. So
Yeah, I've
we
been
used some
since like
songs.
last October. I did one of these songs in a recital, so I've just been trying to improve it since then. And
Yeah.
And what
adding
instrument
on.
do you play?
I play a little bit of guitar. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He's
That's
really
gonna be
good,
great.
actually. Yeah.
Showing off your talents at a wonderful event where the audience is actually appreciative.
I know, yeah, that's so fun when the audience is like into it and they're paying attention, and like seeing some of the couples get up and like dance to their favorite songs. It's like such a fun little experience. in
About how
this
many
small
students
town.
will be performing total?
Oh, that's a good question. Maybe 10-ish or something like
Perfect.
that. The people who are far enough along to do a set list. So.
All right, and that's this Saturday?
Yes, 5:30 to
Tomorrow,
8:30.
okay.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, it's already tomorrow.
Already tomorrow, 5:30 to 8:30 in Fair Grove.
Yes,
Thank
at the
you
Miller's
so much.
Cabin.
And thank you for performing for us this morning.
Absolutely.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
having me.
Have so much
Yeah.
fun tomorrow. All right, guys.